Please rotate your phone. Open Lightroom. Don't skip this video. Add photo gallery. Open Light Tools. Adjust shadows. Please subscribe my channel. Adjust highlights. Open color mix. Adjust yellow color. Adjust saturation. Adjust hue. Adjust green color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust blue color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Please subscribe my channel. Adjust violet color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust orange color. Adjust luminance. Adjust saturation. Click to done. Adjust temperature. Adjust tint. Adjust vibrance. Please like me. Adjust saturation. Adjust color grading. Adjust blending. Adjust balance. Open Light Tools. Adjust whites. Adjust contrast. Export image. Please subscribe my channel. Please like me.